Some places don't need words. They take your breath before you even arrive. Welcome to Grindelwald, Switzerland's window to the soul of the Alps. The journey to Grindelwald is not a commute. It's a preview of paradise. Every turn of the track reveals another postcard. Grindelwald isn't loud. It doesn't try to impress. It simply exists, peaceful, proud, and perfectly placed. To truly understand Grindelwald, you must rise above it. The Eiger Express lifts you straight into the heart of the Alps. Here, fear and wonder walk together. One step and the world drops away. This isn't just a viewpoint, it's a conversation with nature. Grindelwald is gentle, but it knows how to wake your soul. Sometimes, to feel alive, you must let go. After the heights comes warmth, and Grindelwald, even a meal comes with $1 million view. Luxury here isn't gold or glass. It's silence. It's space. It's time to slow down. As the sun says goodbye, the mountains glow. Not red, but alive. This is the Alps' final whisper of the day. You don't just visit Grindelwald, you carry it home. In your silence, in your dreams, in the way you remember nature.
Press the subscribe, share, and like button. It helps me create more content for you.